Hey there, this is just a casual vlog going about my day doing some spring cleaning. Won't you join me? What message do the crows have for us today? So I'm actually shooting this as before footage. This is where the bulk of my medicines have been stored. And I'm in the process of making some changes. So I don't know if this is going to still be my medicine cabinet. I'm thinking about moving it downstairs. Up. So we're going to do some spring cleaning. This here is my prepper pantry corner. Lots of herbal supplies and quite a bit of miscellany. So let's see what we can tackle today. I have friends coming to help, which is beautiful, and I'm going to make really good use of their time. There's also some bad weather forecasted. Not too bad, but it hasn't started raining yet, but just enough to where I want to go on and knock this out before they're not here yet to help. But I just want to get this part done. I'd rather us be in the house, cozy, and working to do the apothecary and not have to worry about this. So I'm gonna go on and get this unloaded and put on this here handy dandy rack. This is a good little workout. It's good to get some nice little exercise out here in the fresh air. But yeah, it's not all candles and crystals, y'all. This is where we are so far. As you can see, we have shelf unit 1, 2 and a half. They're gonna all be up soon. And this place should be looking like a real apothecary. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, it's empty. Quite a few trips back and forth, but not really that many because we had some nice boxes to transport things in. Wow. So as you can see, we have all of our tinctures right here and still plenty of room, which is just so beautiful to not have everything all jumbled up. So I'm going to keep organizing. So eternally grateful. Well, today is a good day to give this hearth a good cleaning. I am just now taking down some of my Yule decorations, so I want to pack them away. I have to get a nice bigger box for them, and some of these might go back on the altar because they could be, you know, whenever. My Kwanzaa candles, my Kinara, and other things. So I'm going to put those away. I am really looking forward to using this stove a bit more. It is so beautiful. See the nice little design on the front of it? And it is a fireplace. It's a wood burning fireplace. I should make a little fire for spring. It's hot today. I'm not gonna make it today. But this top part gets hot enough to heat up food. Like when the power has gone out before, I have been able to sit my tea kettle up here or reheat some food. That's good to know. You know? Okay, so I gave the stove a good cleaning and I oiled it up even with a little bit of olive oil, you know, just like you do a cast iron skillet, I guess. I don't know. And we have our spring wreath in place. Now I'm going to go about decorating this mantle. I have some candles and things. Let's see what I can do to make this a nice spring mantle. Why do I keep saying altar? Well, I am liking the way this is coming together. I feel like this is a wonderful place for my wreath. I know there's not a lot of light up there. I might need to get my ring light. I have my beautiful artwork that I bought, which is a great springtime element here, and just a few things. This bowl was a gift from a good friend, and I do use it for herb things, but right now it's sitting here being beautiful. So I made a few changes. I decided to move the bowl down here and fill it with some pine cones. I know I'll have to move that whenever I have a fire. But look at my lovely, oh, I love my mantle. I'm gonna light the candles too so I can see. I decided to put my summer solstice doll, but she's straight. I have a springtime one, but this one goes better for colors. My cotton, that's for Black History Month, in tribute to my ancestors. And then I have my beautiful wreath. I decided to make a little cluster here. I have my rose quartz. This is a spirit quartz, and this is aventurine. And I'm gonna give some more information on what those stand for and what I hope they activate as it relates to them sitting there. My beautiful, lovely ceramic vase. Yes, I love it. This really was a lovely day. Time spent with good friends and got a lot of good things done. Freshened up, ready for the spring and Ostara. And I'm really loving this mantle. It came together so nicely. It really sets a nice vibe. So I hope that you like this video. Like and subscribe, and check us out over on Patreon. And we're having fun over there too. Until I see you in the next video, I hope you are well. And as always, take care.